when we are talking about the present tense. Present tense is what was happening at the moment, right? Present tense. So what is present tense called?
Said.
Present tense. Said is one of the conjugation. One of the said is to be, right? Is, am, are is said. Okay, but said has got a different conjugation, right? But let's talk about the simple conjugations right now. Okay, which are the regular conjugations, which is applicable for most of the verbs. Okay, so let's start with the first verb. The first verb is like, say, hablar. Do you know what's hablar?
I've heard it before, but no, I don't know.
Hablar is to speak. Okay, and then another verb is comer. Comer is to eat.
Okay.
You are in class 10th.
No, I'm in grade 8.
You're in grade 8. Okay, I was asked that you are doing class 10th. You're in class 10th. So that's why I
Oh,
thought that, that's why I thought that you are going to do the past tense. That
oh
means we
no.
have to start with the grade 8 level, okay? So not a
Yeah,
problem.
no. It's just because my other studies are grade
Okay,
10 level, but I'm in grade 8, but Spanish is.
8. Okay, and what about, how much have you done in Spanish? In class 7th? Have you done in grade 7
No,
Spanish?
so I started grade 8 like 10 weeks ago, and then so far we've done um just the basics like hi, hello, numbers. We did
Oh,
said, and
okay.
then recently we did something, but I wasn't there in class. Um,
Okay.
then family.
That's
We have a textbook as well.
Yeah, yeah. So let's do some of the conjugations. Then I'll come to the real basic ones. Okay. I'll just do the regular conjugations. Ser is irregular. Okay. So I will not do ser right now because first we'll try to understand the basic conjugations. Otherwise, it will get all messed up. Okay. So just we will do the regular ones. These are the regular ones. Regular. So regular is hablar, comer, vivir. Okay. These are the three examples of regular verbs. Okay. But what we have to see, this verb is AR ending, right? This is the ER ending verb. And this is the
IR.
IR ending verb. So the conjugation of hablar, comer, and vivir will be different. First, we need to understand what is conjugation. Okay, what is conjugation? Conjugation is like, I'll tell you, these are the verbs which are in infinitive. Infinitive means they are not conjugated. They are not at all conjugated.
Conjugate.
Okay, I will show you 1 minute. I'll open a new page. Okay, clear page. So when I'm talking about the, you know what is the meaning of hablar? To hablar is to speak. Okay, comer is to eat, and vivir is
Live.
to live. Muy bien. But see, when I am saying I speak should be different. I speak should be different than you speak. Because when we are speaking and I say yo hablo, okay? So, and if you say tú hablo, it's not the same in Spanish, okay? Like I speak, you speak, like in English, it's not like that, okay? It's like yo hablo, hablo. What is changing?
The
Only we remove the AR and we put a O. Yo hablo. But tú hablas. Tú hablas. Tú means you. You speak. But he, she, él, ella, usted. Like you told ma'am, usted, no? To me, you said usted. So usted is habla. Okay? Did you get this?
Yes.
O, as, only this is changing. Okay. This is changing. O, as, a. Then if we say we speak, you have any idea about we speak?
Vosotros. Vosotros.
Nosotros.
Nosotros.
Nosotros. We are nosotros. Okay. Like if we say Rashi and Swati are speaking, we speak. Okay. Rashi and Swati speak. So nosotros hablamos. Hablamos. Okay. I'll just write it here. Hablamos. Hablamos. Nosotros. Okay. Nosotros hablamos. Then vosotros. Who is vosotros? Vosotros?
Them. They or them.
You all.
Oh.
Suppose you are there and another friend of yours is also there in the class. So I will say you all, no? Not you. More than one, plural. So you all. So it is habla is. I will tell you the difference also just when after I finish. Habla is and ayos. What is ayos?
Ellos is referring to another group of people, right?
Ayos is they, yes. We refer to another group of person. We're not referring to yo, tu, he, she. We are referring to they. Okay, the plural of he, she will be they. The plural of you will be, I will be we. So yo, nosotros. Tú, vosotros. And él, ella, usted, ellos. So ellos hablan. Hablan. Now you notice that what is changing? Till habla, habl, the verb remains the same. The unconjugated verb remains. Only we remove the AR, and instead of AR, we are putting O, as, a, amos, ais, an. Got it? Did you understand something?
Yeah.
Little bit? Yeah?
Little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Now, what about comer?
Yo como.
Yeah, muy bien. Yo como. I'm not writing you, I'm just writing the yo como. Now, since it is E here, comes, but not comas, it is comes.
Comes.
Why? Because it is a ER verb, no? So it is
Yeah.
E. Okay. Then, el haya usted.
Come.
Muy bien. Come.
Comemos.
Comemos. Muy bien. Comemos.
Comis.
Comeis. Comeis. Okay. And the last one.
Comem.
Come. Right? Now let's come to vivir. Okay. Now in vivir, now okay, here also O, S, A, hemos, eis, en. Only these are changing. But it is different from AR verb, no? Slightly different from AR verb. Now in ER, now IR verb is also slightly different from ER verb. In some cases, when we learn the conjugations later on, like for past tense, for future tense, ER and IR verb will be same in some cases. But here in the present tense, it is different. Little bit different. Not much, little bit different. I will tell you the difference. But remember, these are